besties, it is a brand new day. I am feeling so much better today. I've already done stuff and it's like 7 o'clock. It might be 7:30 now. I did dishes. Oh my goodness. Sunny keeps sniffing my carpet and I don't know why. It's driving me bonkers right now, but it's fine. I need to clean my office today at some point. I really wanted to do an official wear test of the RMS Beauty Foundation so we could see what it looks like throughout the day because I have a lot to get done today. So I was like, it's the perfect day to truly test this and see how good it can be because I loved it the first time I tried it. So I'm gonna put this stuff on, I'm gonna get ready for the day, and then we will start having Vlogmas day 8 together. Sorry, yesterday's video was a little bit, I guess, kind of sad and short, short and sweet, but we're having a much better day today. So I'm so excited to bring you along for the festivities of day 8. Foundation is now on. It looks really good. I do want to mention it is a very matte foundation, at least on my skin. So I didn't set it with powder, but I did set it with the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray. I am going to change my lip because it's a little bit dark for me. I'm wearing the RMS lip oil, but I do want something a little bit more nude to go with the eyes. I'm wearing the Pat McGrath quad, the Astral quad, I think it's called. I'll link everything down below just in case you were wondering what's on my face today, but it's basically stuff that I wear all the time. I will do this test until, I think I put this on about 7:30, so we will do this test until about 6:30 tonight. I think that gives it a really good time to sink in, and we'll see how it wears on my skin and see if I still like it. But yeah, so far so good. So I got in a package last night at like 10 o'clock at night. It's from ChocZero, which is a chocolate company. They make keto chocolate, and as I've said before, I'm not keto, but I do like to enjoy some sweets that have less sugar in them because of my PCOS. So I'm gonna open this box and I'll show you what I got because I got like Christmas related stuff. Well, I should say holiday related stuff. Here's the inside of the box. They did have some ice packs in here, but since we're in Florida, those are not cold anymore. So the reason why I made this order was because they have advent calendars. So I got both the milk chocolate and the dark chocolate advent calendars. It is a little bit late, but I'm so excited to have these. I picked up a few snacks as well. So this is the double dipped almonds. This one is the milk chocolate latte flavor. So that sounds amazing. This one is peanut butter cups. This one is double dipped almonds again and just milk chocolate. And then these I thought were so cool. They have these spreads now. So this is the cocoa hazelnut spread and this is the cookie butter spread. So this is like the Trader Joe's cookie butter and this is like Nutella. So I'm so excited. We have a ton of fun goodies to try out. Let's do a little taste test with the milk chocolate advent calendar. I'm super curious. I remember getting ChocZero a long time ago, but I don't know if I liked it or what. This is what the inside looks like. So cute. We'll do day 1. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. That's a snowman. It tastes really good. They use monk fruit extract. You do get a tiny, tiny bit of, I guess, artificial sweetener flavor, but like not a ton at all. It tastes very similar to like real sugar. And I also want to try the cookie butter spread. I'm really curious. These are kind of sweet though. I would like them a teeny bit less sweet. Literally looks like cookie butter. This has the texture of cookie butter, but not necessarily the flavor. It tastes like a cookie, but it doesn't taste like the cinnamony cookie Biscoff spread. It's good, but it's not like exact. Okay, we'll try one more thing. I really want to know how these milk chocolate style latte almonds are. Oh, they come individually wrapped? 2 in each? That's wild. These are really good. I'm a fan. On these meds, I get really tired when I have a lot of real sugar, so this is gonna come in handy for when I'm wanting something sweet, but I don't want to crash. Yeah. Unfortunately, besties, we do have to do some cleaning today. I need to get laundry done because I am behind from Vlogmas. I started doing laundry yesterday and I'm like, I have so much to do. I hope you can see me. I don't even know. I'm trying to use like the good camera on the back of my phone, so I have no idea what's in frame ever. I'm gonna get some laundry done. All of the packages that I need for us to start doing Christmassy stuff are not here yet. I thought they were supposed to get here last night, but they're not gonna be here until tomorrow. And then painting is going slower than I expected. So we are behind schedule as far as what I wanted to get done. I made some progress on my list. I wrote everything down. Today, we need to focus on cleaning the 3rd floor. So I need to clean my beauty room, I need to clean the master bedroom, and just get this room tidy. I also have one final box of stuff in my bathroom to unpack from the move. And I need to get the clothing rack out of there because it just doesn't fit up here anymore. So today we're tackling the 3rd floor. Tomorrow, we need to tackle the 2nd floor, which is so much easier than the 3rd floor. Today has a lot more stuff to get done. And then Friday, which is the 9th, the cleaners come. So in a few days, they will be here. And I have no idea what I'm gonna film on that day. So that day, we'll decide when we get there. And then on the 10th, we will be ready to decorate for Christmas. I'm so excited. I'm really hoping we can get the painting done tomorrow and Friday. That way everything is out of the way so I can start decorating. And then Sunday, I wanna start baking prep for the holidays. So we have a lot to do the next week. I also am doing a mini remodel on the bathroom that I need to schedule in before Christmas. We need to plan Christmas gifts. We need to confirm all the stuff that I want to get for the table setting. I need to get tablecloths. We have so much to get done, but we need to take this one day at a time. I don't know where my planner is, so I'm really thrown off. I normally write everything in the planner. Right now I'm just using that notebook, the Rachel Zoe one. That is so cute. I love it. So I think today is going to be a cleaning video. So let's start with my beauty room. right, besties, my room is clean. Well, my office is clean. I started in the room. It was much worse in my office. So I'm gonna take a quick break. I talked to my mom for a little bit, which was awesome. So that took me like 30 minutes. And then I just need to keep doing laundry. I should have like 3 loads of laundry and then I'll be done with everything in the house, which is amazing. And then while I was cleaning, I finally found my planner, which is so exciting. So I'm gonna go back to the planner. I'm gonna put everything that I wrote down on that paper into my planner just because I prefer seeing the dates and everything with it. So I'm gonna do that, and then we will go on to our next activity for the day. We're moving and grooving. Amazon package came in. I got a surge protector that plugs into the wall, and it looks just like a flat outlet cover, but then it's white so it'll like blend into the wall for the Christmas tree because the current cord completely sticks out and it looks like a hot mess. I got 2 more of my favorite cups. I'm trying to get a total of 14. I thought about getting the knockoff version of these, but these are the original brand we bought and none of them have broke. And I've seen all the reviews on the knockoff ones and all of those look like they're super fragile. So I'm just gonna stick with these because we use them every day, so it won't just be for entertaining. Maybe one day I can invest in like entertaining cups, like a set for entertaining, but until then, we're gonna do these. If you hear any weird noises in the background, just always assume it's my dogs. I am getting hungry though, so I think I'm gonna make some lunch. I have some leftover ravioli from yesterday, and I'm gonna make some chicken nuggets, so I'm gonna have chicken nuggets and ravioli and not feel bad about it. These are the best chicken nuggets, by the way. I get the chicken strips and the chicken nugget forms. If you want some adult chicken nuggets, have these, they're really good. I mean, a kid can eat these too. They're for everybody. I'm so glad I got this. I've never tried this mascara before, so this will be super fun to try tomorrow morning. All right, it's 5:30. I want to do the foundation check-in now because I'm going to cook dinner. I have done a lot today, so you guys look at it now and ignore my kitchen. We're about to make dinner together, but we're going to clean this floor tomorrow. And I just got a shit ton of packages, so we can unbox all of those tomorrow. There's some in my way as we speak. Okay, as far as my foundation goes, it looks a tiny, tiny, tiny bit more cakey than when I started this morning, but it looks great. It actually looks really good. It's a tiny bit cakey in my T-zone, but I think that's more so from my skin type than is a fault of the product. If my foundation looked like this at the end of every day, I'd be very happy. I do have like glitter under my eyes because that setting powder I used has glitter in it and I didn't realize, so I guess we've had glitter on all day. But as a final review for this foundation, I love it. It is Melissa approved. I'm gonna keep wearing it. I'm probably gonna wear this over the holidays just because it wears really well. And even though it's a tiny bit cakey, like a tiny bit bunched up, it honestly looks really good. So can't be mad. But let's make some taco roll-ups. You can make taco roll-ups out of anything, but these are just the ingredients I'm using. So we're gonna be using ground chicken, and with that, I'm gonna have some fajita seasoning to season it. For the inside, we're gonna do pinto beans, some cheese. I'll probably do a mixture of both the Mexican blend and sharp cheddar. This is some Spanish rice from Trader Joe's, and we're gonna season it a little bit more with garlic powder, onion powder, and this is salt. And then we're gonna roll them up in these tortillas. These are my favorite tortillas, like I mentioned before. And we're gonna roll it up, put it in a pan, and cook it in a tiny bit of butter so it gets crispy. I kind of prefer this over oil. It just like gives it a really good flavor. So let's make some taco roll-ups. This is so fun. right, besties, we have reached the end of another video. This is Vlogmas day 8. So I will see you in tomorrow's Vlogmas day 9 video. I'm just gonna keep doing laundry. That's all I'm gonna do today. I just wanna get it done. So now I have like 2 or 3 loads of laundry left. And then I can take a shower, rest, and enjoy my night. But thank you all so much for watching this video. I appreciate all of you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.